What up, y'all? It is Bella, Trading Day, back testing with Bella. Before I get into the video, I am going to ask you guys to please subscribe to my video, like, comment. I'm dropping fire videos every day so you guys can learn more about the Strat and ICT. I am not a financial educator. Everything referenced is from Rob Smith in the Inner Circle Trader ICT. So getting into it, I want to talk about the September analysis for 2022 on the overall market on the S&P 500, SPY, and SPX. You guys know I love trading SPX every day. SPX is my go-to. I started off trading SPY every day, but then I realized SPX was 10 times more, like the money if you played it right. So I trade SPX. But getting into it, I'm going to look at the chart on SPY. It is about to be a new month in about 2 days. So, one second. Looking at the chart on SPY. So, just making my screen smaller so you guys can see my screen clearer. Maybe in the best, so you can't do better. All facts. You can't do better. Baby, I'm the best, so you can't do better. My indicators. So here we're gonna start looking at the 3-month chart. As you guys know, September is a new quarterly, starts a new quarterly. So every 3 months is a new quarterly, and September is about to be a new 3 months for the quarterly. And yeah, so that's something to be paying attention to. September is known for being a red month. September is known for being a bearish month. So you have July known for being a bullish month, and then September is a bearish month. In 2020, September was down over 30 points. In September 21, the S&P 500 was down over 20 points. So this year, I'm expecting it to follow the same pattern. As you know, the stock market patterns are it becomes predictable. Like, the same patterns happen over and over in the market once you start to realize. So getting into it, let's go to the 1-month chart using a Strat. If you guys see on a 1-month chart here, it was a failed to up. It means it went 212 to the upside and then it failed. So the high on September was 431.73. Let's mark my levels. Use the horizontal ray. Change the color on here so you guys can see it more clear. Let's turn this up. I can't hear. And this is the low. So the high was 431.92 and the low was 405.17. So here would be my entry on the monthly. So let's put the text. That would make this a 2 down on the monthly. Let's make this smaller. She's not crazy like me. 405.17. If you guys would look on my chart, what is my full-time bank continuity? I don't know why it's not showing my full-time continuity, but it is red all across the board. So when it's red all across the board, the magnitude is more likely to hit. So yeah. So just drawing the broad information here. on a chart. So you just want to go down to the black broad information. Then I'll draw another broad information here. Easy. Magnitude. Going down to the weekly chart, as you guys can see, it was once at this point. Trend line. There, fell. Trend line. Big fail. That's a big fail. So, yeah. On that broadman formation, let me just see if I can make this a bit smaller so you guys can see me more. Okay, can you see me more? Well, I'll just add, oh, this auto fit the screen. Okay. Just make that like that. You guys can see this is my monthly chart. This is my weekly chart. Sorry. Always making silly mistakes. Let's delete that. Weekly chart is respecting the broad information. On the weekly chart, you guys can also see that it is a 2 down on the weekly. So I'm going to mark my targets for the week. 405 can also be a weekly entry. First target can be here. Damn, simple. 390. First target, I'll make that line. I make it red because it's a bloody mud. As you guys can see in my thumbnail, I made that red too. So, second target, 380 down. I want to see all this shit get taken out. I want to see all this go back to low. Like, the lowest point is here. The lowest point is at 362.15. So that bitch got room to go down. As you guys can see, it is liquidity to the downside. So here it stopped out buy orders. Now it's going back down to the sell side liquidity. I made a short video on sell side liquidity, so you guys can watch that and see how you like it. And yeah, if you need more references, I recommend you to go to the Inner Circle Trading, the ICT. So yeah, these are my targets, and then going down to the daily. Oh, and if you guys can see right here, this is my full-time continuity. So it is still green on the quarterly, but it is going to turn red on the quarterly if it drops past 380, and it is also, yeah, on its way down to 380. So there you have it. September is known for dropping, so September is a very bloody month, so just respect that and keep that in your bias. So on the daily chart, just looking down to the daily chart, has a lot of room to go down. And when you're with her, I know I'm in your head. I swear I could sing, oh God. I mean, I'm just saying. Okay, back to the video, whatever. Yeah, so this is a big ass imbalance in the candle. It probably would bounce up. If you guys was to enter in at 405, I recommend that your stop loss be very tight. Let that shit be at yeah, I'll put my stop loss real tight. I'll put my stop loss at 407. Stop losses go a long way with me. That's how I've been able to grow my account. 407.50. Change that to a different color. Let it be green. Stop loss 407.50. But it looks like it wants to come down here to the sell side liquidity. And also, matter of fact, there's a fucking gap to be filled at 380. That's something to pay attention to. There's a gap to be filled right there. So yeah, this is a very short video, but I'm just giving my analysis for September. You guys know the Jerome market whole speech had dropped the market like over 100 points on Friday. Shit was lit. But yeah, it's still sad though, still sad. But yeah, so this is just a quick video going over September and just going over what previously happened in the previous years. Both years, points dropped over 20 points in the market. So this year, I am expecting the same. But as always, I am watching the charts to see how the markets react. And just basically, even if you know what's going on in the world, like, the economy's bad. Like, everything's expensive. Like, the gas is expensive. There's no food anywhere. There's a lot of, like, wars and stuff that's, like, being amped up or whatever. Not necessarily, like, going on, but are going on at the same time, like not really being in the media or whatever. There's a lot of shit going on in the world, so it's just not good going on. And just from Jerome's Powell speech, everything was crazy. So I just make my screen bigger. I want you guys to see me today. I said that new girl. So yeah, that is just my analysis for September. I do expect this to be very bearish. September is always a very bearish month, so yeah. So I will be making videos just updating you guys on SPY and SPIX and just letting you know the overall market and what's going on in the overall market. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I am taking that very serious because I want to be in the YouTube algorithm so I can be talking to more traders that needs, you know, that needs this information, that can help more traders or whatever, and just helping you guys. I'm very happy for my 22 subscribers I got right now. I know I'm going to be looking back at this video one day like, damn, I came a long way. My goal is to get over 70K subscribers. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's just a little code. It's just a little so. Ain't nothing a little marketing can do. But yeah, so good night, guys. And that is my video for today.